Was accent ever an issue or of interest to you? I mean, from your example, I can tell you have a somewhat Polish accent, and did that ever kind of hit heads at all with the Litvak accent?
Always. Okay. Still. It's so zermischt, my Yiddish. And it's because in primary school we learnt, we learnt the klal Yiddish, which is very Litvish. And so when I get up at a commemoration or an event and read poetry, my grandmother used to tell me how kind of, how nice my Yiddish was, because she was from Warsaw and my Zeta was from Warsaw, and so they, she used to say etz and enk instead of dir and ir, and she thought it was so refined and elegant that I could pronounce Yiddish with a Litvish accent. But I was also kind of, at times I also made a conscious effort to talk with a Polish Yiddish, because that was like the legacy. I mean, partly it's what I heard, so it would never have occurred to me to say pute instead of pite. Or, I had a friend whose grandfather was from Vilna, and he used to say yoich, and we grew up saying yoch. So the way that Yiddish is kind of taught today, I mean, it's at odds in a lot of ways with just what I grew up hearing. And not just in class, but, what I heard in class was one thing, but going to grandparents' houses or to functions and events and people with all their different accents, people from Łódź talking with that what sounded to me as a kid like a speech impediment, but obviously wasn't. Yeah, but the accent is still something that I sort of get tongue-tied around often. And when I, read Yiddish, it's hard to know whether, it gets mixed up, my instinct to pronounce things with a Polish accent or Litvish, yeah.